videos has started to come from Bahamas. This is the video uploaded by United States Coastal Guard, and we can see the devastation in Bahamas by the category 5 hurricane Dorian. 20 people are confirmed dead by this hurricane, and some reports are saying that there is more than 90% destruction in home and other. The United Nations organization estimates nearly 60,000 people are in need for food and water right now in Bahamas, and as the crisis moves forward, uh, Red Cross has said that uh, the water is mixed with the seawater. That means the drinking water is not safe now. So people will face more crisis during all the days to come. Till now, 20 people are confirmed dead by the agencies and the government of Bahamas. The United States Coast Guard, United Nations, Red Cross, and other organizations are conducting rescue operation, and they are helping people to get evacuate from the crisis place and taking them to hospitals. The United States Coast Guard is airlifting victims from the devastated area to the clinics.